Hey guys, this is Claire from Company Cam coming at you with another water cooler tip. Today we're going to talk about sharing photos with your customers. We all know that sharing photos with your customers is the best way to keep them up to date on all the progress that's going on the job. So you can create a unique gallery link of photos that you want to share with them. You can instantly do this by going in on the app or through the browser version, choosing the photos that you'd like to send to them, and then it will bundle all those photos into a unique link. The moment that they press that link, they'll be able to see all those photos you sent to them. Remember, this doesn't give them access to your Company Cam account, just the photos that you send their way. Thanks so much for checking out this water cooler tip, and always send us any other unique ways that you use Company Cam.